Sum function just returns the summation of all the elements inside a list, or essentially a list actually. And if we take a example here, we have a lot of numerical values here. As you can see, we will just check out the summation of the tuple, and it returning us the summation of all the elements inside it. It's not possible for strings or list to get summative, so it will return an error if I try to use the summation function for for adding characters like red, green, blue here. I hope that's clear, and it will just return an error because we can't actually you can actually add arithmetically those values, right? And the last function is the element checking in command, if I must say. This command essentially tells us if element is present inside a list or not. Here you can see that we are actually checking if the mango here is available in the fruit and fruits. Let's take this fruit here so that you can actually visualize it properly, right? So if I take this and just print it here, so we have actually fruits here that has mango here, and we want to check if it is there, right, by the system itself. So as you can see, if we use this in command here, we are actually checking if mango is present inside this fruit. It will check each and every index, and not in just reverses the boolean value. As you can see, we have boolean value true for yes, the mango is present, and boolean value false for the not in statement, right? So I hope all these things are clear to you right now. We have discussed the methods first, the methods that uses the mutability property and other things about the list. And then we discuss some of the functions like min, max, sum function, sort function, and so on. I hope those are clear to you, and we will be meeting in the next video. Thank you. Tata.